I don't think Don and Dan ever dreamed it would be much more than a little shop here and a little shop there, and just so happened it just grew way bigger than they ever dreamed it would. And so I think that's just the blessing that, comes from doing the right thing first.
And when Dan started, it was basically with his brothers. And then as we grew, it was, hey, do you have any friends? What are they going to do after school? Well, I know this person. A lot of us are from right here is where it kind of started. It's where our very beginnings were.
None of us would have imagined it. I mean, this started in a little house in a 2-car garage in a basement in Dan Tekulve's. It's beyond what any of us could imagine. I can remember the first time we got an international call. We were in an office in a little rented space in the Speedway, and somebody had called in and asked about a sawmill, and it was like everybody got giggly and quiet, like they're calling from England.
I get asked the question a lot about Wood-Mizer and its history and where we are today. Wood-Mizer has been successful, I think, for a lot of reasons. Number one is I think the foundation was there. You can't have a good place without a good foundation. They built a culture in the company that was second to none. Dad always talked about running a company with Christian values in a corporate environment.
1987.
The big thing that Don was a big believer is to grow, you need to be an international company.
Well, you can blame Jerzy Haduczyk.
We called him Jersey.
We had this persistent person come in the front door one day.
Haduczyk was living in America at the time. He was up in the New England area, and Haduczyk had come to Father to say, I've seen your machine, your mill, and it is exactly what we need.
And at the time we were making the 2 a week. Some days, we get all excited, we got 4 machines.
In the first year, he sold almost 100 mills.
I think it was then that we realized that we had something far bigger than we would have even imagined.
Okay, this is Monday morning, and the fellows are just getting ready to go out and do some custom cutting. These are the 2 head mechanics right here, and they do most of the assembly and alignment.
Zadzwonił do mnie Don Laskowski, który dowiedział się gdzieś tam, że jakiś facet przyjechał tutaj i mówi, że chciałby budować domy w Polsce i Wood-Mizer to jest it. I on mówi, wiesz co? I think we should do something together. Ja zakładałem, że będzie z tego coś dużego. Pożyczyłem malucha. Wsadziłem Dona do malucha i w Polskę ruszyliśmy. I założyliśmy firmę pod nazwą Wood-Mizer Poland. No myśmy nie mieli nic. I pierwszy trak był złożony pod lampą na ulicy. Całą noc żeśmy składali.
This is when the first sawmills, portable sawmills, were assembled in April of 1990 on Polish territory. This corner was our first office. Business one. This was there was a little desk here and a little table here. In the corner we had a computer, we had a typewriter here, and we had a telephone.
There's Danuta. She's hard at work on a Saturday.
Too hard.
Too hard at work.
Wszystko doły, wszystkie parkady, wszystko jest drewno. Teoria mówiła, że dom ma być przypomnę tu.
Firma Wood-Mizer mocno się rozwinęła. Wtedy sprzedawaliśmy kilkaset maszyn. Dzisiaj widzimy firmę w zupełnie innym miejscu.
Having the European presence was the acknowledgement that we had to develop and allow our customers to be successful in many different environments. Asia, Africa, very cold climates, very hot climates.
We're working with customers throughout the world, and our customers in each different part of the world benefit from things we learn in other parts of the world.
I think that influx of experience and necessity was very important to the growth of Wood-Mizer globally.
When Dan and Don got together and thought about that first sawmill, they were thinking, yeah, we could grow this company and continue to grow it. But I don't know that they were thinking we're going to have employees on 6 continents taking care of customers with our Wood-Mizer sawmills.